Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. I hope everybody's staying safe, everybody's well. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, we're gonna do awesome, delicious recipe. We're gonna do a sweet potato pie. Thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family. All of my new subscribers them, welcome to the family. All of my old subscribers them, thank you guys very much to keep on support Selvin Kitchen, because we are one big family. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, awesome, delicious recipe. So we have 1 pack of sweet cherry tomato we're gonna use for the sweet potato pie. We have 2 tablespoons of oil. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. We have half a teaspoon of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of dry thyme with parsley. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have 1 white onion. We have 1 stalk of spring onion. We have 4 cloves of garlic. We have some spinach we already washed and cut up already. We have a half of red bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper. We have 3 large sweet potato. I already peeled them already and washed them. We have 1 pack of minced beef we're going to use. We're going to use some cheese. So in Selvin Kitchen today, people, awesome, delicious recipe, sweet potato pie. Yes guys, what we're going to do now, we're going to season up the minced beef. So all we're going to do now is add the all-purpose season, parsley and dry thyme, a little bit of salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder. We're gonna do this. Mix it all up like that. Gonna mix in all of that season. Then we're gonna add in the spring onion and the onion, and the garlic, and the spinach, and the bell pepper. So we're adding all of these ones. We're just gonna mix it up and leave it to marinate for around 20 minutes. So when I mix in all of that seasoning, that minced beef, it's optional if you, some people don't eat beef, or some people eat lamb, you can use minced lamb. Yes people, when I mix all of that, you have to squeeze them up in it, make everything just marinate properly in it. Yeah, so and leave that for 20 minutes. Let that marinate. So meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the sweet potato.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean.
Yes people, so I just slice up the sweet potato. Now I'm going to transfer them into this bowl. We're going to add a teaspoon of all-purpose season over them. Just to give them a little bit of season. Don't want them too bland. And a teaspoon of dry thyme with some dry parsley. I'm just gonna add a little pinch of salt over them as well. A pinch of black pepper. And I'm gonna add some olive oil over it. keep them nice and moist. Now I'm just gonna put on the lid on it and give it a shake. Look at that, people. Sweet potato. So this is my tray for my potato, for my sweet potato pie. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil in it, and then I get a brush. I just want to cover the bottom of it with the olive oil. Just get a brush like that and just put it all over the bottom of the tray pan. Be generous with the olive oil, don't to cover all of it like that. So now I'm just gonna add in the first layer of potato in the bottom of it. Yes, people, so I just lined the bottom of the tray with some sweet potato. So now I'm just gonna add in some beef in it, the minced beef. Just gonna spread it generous over it, people. But you know that in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So share the video with your friends and family, people. Tell them about Selvin Kitchen. This guy have a lot of recipe coming up. So we just spread it over a bit. We want to get a lot of potato cover. So just use a spoon like that and just smooth it down.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with.
Yes, people, this is the sweet potato pie. I just prepare it, so I'm just gonna put it in the oven now. I'm gonna give it half an hour and then I check it and see if it cook, and then after I'm just gonna spread the cheese on it. Hi guys, so I just take out the sweet potato pie out of the oven. It was been in the oven for the last 40 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add some cheese over it. Add the cheese nice and gentle over it, people. Selvin Kitchen sweet potato pie. So you guys can try this recipe. Try the recipe and send me a video, please, and let me know how the recipe come out. And please hit that notification bell, so when I post a video you guys will get it. Okay, you know that in Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. Just put this cheese over it. With a gentle spread, you know when you put it back in the oven and the heat touch it, it would melt right out. So I'm just gonna add some green bell pepper. So it's optional. If you guys don't want to put the green bell pepper on it, it's up to you guys. And now we're just gonna add some sweet cherry tomato. as I said before, it's optional. If you guys want to put the cherry tomato in it, it's up to you guys. So just now I'm just gonna put this back in the oven for the next 10 minutes. Hi guys, so I just take it back out of the oven. It's nice and crispy on the top with the cheese and the cherry tomato and the green bell pepper, and it's nice and hot now. It just come out of the oven, people. So I'm just gonna slice it up. Gonna cut some slices out like that, people. I'm telling you, this look yummy. This look delicious, people. All of that cheese, look at that. Let me taste this. So slice it down like that. So this is one portion and another portion, so I'll part them off for the cherry tomato and the bell pepper. So now, people, I'm gonna get a portion out of this. Oh my days, look at that. That look nice and beautiful. Oh. And that, people. Yes, people. So I just cut off piece of it. So now we're gonna try it, guys. I'm telling you, this recipe. Try this recipe and let me know. Yes, people. I score myself 20 out of 10 for this one. This is nice, people. Sweet potato pie. So thank you guys for watching. Please share the video with your friends and family. Please hit that notification bell, and please give me a thumbs up for the video. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So people, stay safe. Selvin Kitchen, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.